Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into Dogecoin. So we finally hit that level that we've been anticipating for a very long time. I think we started speaking about it in August. So it's very interesting that we can see that the price is now tapping into this area. So what I've actually looked at is that, we can see there's a spike coming in to play right now. We've actually looked at, we've tapped into 12 cents. Now, in theory, this could be the turning point that we've been looking for. But what I'm looking at now is price to probably make one more push lower, and this is where we're going to hopefully try and get into this 10 cents range. So now that we've completely pushed into this low, well, what can we expect, and what are we, potentially looking into? So as aggressive as it sounds, essentially what we're trying to do is now we're looking at potentially exhausting the downside move. So it could look something like this, and then we're essentially looking for price to rally towards the upside. So this one is going to be a huge shift, and I think it's going to be the best opportunity that we can look into in terms of how cheap this is. So this is only going to be 10 cents. But essentially what you would do is you would wait for price to drop lower and lower, potentially find some signs of weakness within the 10 cents, and hopefully we could see price to rally towards the upside. My absolute buying point would be if we start to break the 35 cents range. I feel like if we break above here, it's going to be an all heads up go to take a buy. So any position above here will be very good. So I probably will move this now, and maybe just leave or get rid of it completely. But yeah, if we mark out 0 on here, so we can really see how close we need to get to so this is the absolute low of the market, so we can really see how close we are. But as we're around 12.5 12 cents, what I'm going to do is essentially wait for price to continue to push lower and lower. So it could look something like this over the next few days. I feel like this will be a very intensive point for Dogecoin. A really good investment opportunity, I feel. Well, this will be great. But hopefully if we start to get this rally and shift up higher, this will be a very, very big sign. And this would be a very big move. I feel like this could easily go into, well, let's just pull on a weekly level. Let's pull out some fib ratios and check it out. Okay, so it could even look as somewhere as 1.2 to even the $2 range. So I think I even marked out $2 range last time, but let's just say $2. So we're looking at around $2 on the upside scale, which is very achievable. Keeping in mind that this will take a long time, but just don't think that this will go in in one day straight to $2. Just keep in perspective that price will take some time to get there. So this will be kind of the next point that a very good time to start considering to position yourself into Dogecoin. So again, this is not exactly a very expensive currency or coin to look into, because it's only around 10 cents a share, or 15 cents. Well, currently right now 17 cents, but we could start to see, if we start to get into that 10 cents range, I'll be very eager to start looking at some buys. So I'm going to probably move my alerts now to here, just like so that you can see they go live kind of interpretation. But if we start to break that 35 cents level, I feel like this will be an all heads up go to potentially take some buys. So yeah, I feel like this has been a very long time, or longly waited thing, or a long waited time for Dogecoin to even come into a buying position, since the last time was April. So not exactly too long. April. We've just been essentially pushing lower and lower, so I feel like this essentially could be the next turning point into the market. And you know, the 10 cents range for me is probably the next best buying point. So hopefully this does bring some value for you guys, or hopefully it does help. If you are longing Dogecoin, feel free to let me know and what your thoughts are. So if you did get any value from this, leave a like. If you aren't, make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, thank you very much for your time, and you'll see you all in our next video.